Hello friends, today we are making super healthy breakfast idli vada chutney sambar recipe. Let's make it. Come on now, let's do it. Firstly, prepare for sambar. So here I have taken 2 tablespoons of pigeon peas and 1 tablespoon of red lentils and 1 tablespoon green gram. Wash 3 times and add 1 cup of water here. 1 cup of water I am added. Then half onion, chopped onion, half tomato, chopped tomato, drumstick. Here you can cook drumstick separately also. I am adding with it. Then brinjal half and 1 potato. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt. Adjust salt as per your taste. And then turmeric 1 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon oil I have added. Now we will pressure cook it all the things. Close the lid. We need 3 whistles to cook it properly. Friends, everyone's making sambar style is different, but you should try this recipe guys. Now we will prepare for chutney. So I need here fresh chopped coconut half, then 1 tablespoon of chickpea, 1 tablespoon of roasted peanut, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, salt, curry leaves and little sugar, pinch of sugar, then tamarind, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, half inch ginger, 1 big green chili. I need water to grind it. Put water as per your requirement. I just love to keep it like gravy type. Then again I have added water and this is what I need now. For tempering, heat some oil, add mustard seed, cumin seed, curry leaves and asafoetida. Tempering we need to insert in the chutney and mix it well. And now our chutney is ready. Now let's see the sambar recipe. All the veggies are cooked properly. Now I am separating the drumstick because we need to smash all the veggies properly. Doing drumstick is the mandatory because the sticks will get in our mouth. Now let's give tadka to the sambar. Need to heat the oil. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard seed, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, curry leaves, 1 chopped onion. Let onion fry little and then we need to add ginger garlic paste, red chili powder 1 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon of salt. Now we need to add 1 secret masala here. Just added all the veggies and dal and inserted little water, put little water, stir it well. If you don't have sambar masala, please add pav bhaji masala and tell me guys how this pav bhaji masala gives very nice taste to this sambar. Just added jaggery and this is how my sambar is getting ready. Dun. Now finally we are making vadas. So here I have taken soaked 2 bowl of urad dal, black gram. This is 3 hours soaked dal I have taken here. Now I am going to tell you very important steps here. We just need to take cold water 2 tablespoons. Don't add more water here. Add 2 tablespoons of cold water and grind it properly. Close the lid now. Very important. Please don't add more water. Here I have just grinded it, but the grinder is stuck, so I am grinding in these 2 parts and here the 1 part is ready. You can see how it's done properly and also our second part. Now we will add this batter in the jar to mix it well. We just need to mix it with our hand like this 2-3 minutes. We need just to mix it properly. Just keep doing with the help of our hand only. I am done with this now guys. Just take a bowl of water now. We need to check now the correct texture of the batter. Like this we need to take a bowl and add little batter on it. it will flow up like this, floating. It is floating now. Like this it should be done. Now I will take the batter now and add spices. 1 tablespoon of cumin seed I have just added now, and then coriander, chopped coconut, fresh coconut I have inserted, 1 tablespoon asafoetida, and then curry leaves. If you want you can add green chili also. I am skipping here. Grated ginger I am adding now. Grate it and just inserting it, this mixture. Just mix this mixture properly with this batter. Mix it well, and then we need to add some salt here. And remember guys, once the oil is heated, soon we will make the vades. By the time this batter will get smoother. And here I am adding salt and mix with this batter. Here again I need some salt. Mix it well, and with the help of strainer we will make the vades. Just put a little oil on hand, and with the help of a strainer also put oil to the strainer and make a vada shape. Just give shape with the help of oil. Make a hole like this. You need to make it vadas. Our oil is also heated, and here our vada is ready. Now we will fry it with the oil. Very less oil absorbs in this vade, I tell you guys. We just need to fry this vade with the very low flame. With the help of spoon you can make like this vades guys, and make a fry of it. Stir it well. And now here I am going to fry with the high flame now. And here our vade is making in the brown shape, and this fried properly. And just remove from oil, keep aside. Now the vades are ready. I have fried all the vades now like this. Thank you so much guys. The idli recipe we will tell you in the next episode, next video, because this video is going to be very lengthy now. And here the vades are ready to eat. Thank you so much guys.